As soon as I put this wig on, I was like, this ain't gonna be the one. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. XOXO Sheba here. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. And if you're an OG subscriber, what's good? Welcome back. I picked up one of the new ones from Sensationnel, Wild One. I think there's another one, but I can't remember the name. But I picked up Wild One, and it looks kind of like a bantu knot out on extremely long natural hair. And I have it in 1B, and I have it in T227. So I'm gonna compare the two to see if there's any differences between getting, you know, a lighter color like this or just getting the natural color, and also just seeing what we think of these units, you know, all together. Sensationnel is notorious for making these curls and kink ones a little too thick, so I'm hoping this one is good. So as far as the lace, they did not label this as HD, and it's a pretty standard lace part unit, so you're not really getting much edges either. It does come with the baby hair already out for you though. The lace is on the light side, but I feel like it's got this brownish yellow hue in it, and I feel like that makes it blend. It does seem potentially narrow, so you know, might have to go in and pluck, hopefully not. And this is what the texture looks like, you know, before I probably undefine all of these curls. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on, and then I'm gonna come back and let y'all know what I think. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this.
Happy Boy Radio, we love you.
Think this wig was gonna work. I had no hope. As soon as I put this wig on, I was like, this ain't gonna be the one. I low-key debated not doing this video at all once I like put this on and I saw how it was looking. It just looked whack. And I know Mika, Wigs to Wasteland, she didn't like head turners, so I was like, oh Lord, Wild One gonna be just like that. But sis has potential. Listen, it took a little bit of work and basically remixing this into a new wig, but it can be done. It's very big, very kind of disco-esque hair, I would say, once you fluff it out like this. If you want to leave it in the defined curls, it does look thinner that way. I wouldn't recommend it because it looks weird. I feel like brushed out, it reminds me a lot of a deep wave texture, and it comes out really cute this way to me. Like, it's a lot, but it's cute. Like, this would be really cute for a photo shoot or just for like a one-time event kind of hair, but it's definitely not your everyday hair at all. It does tangle, but you know, you should expect that when you have, you know, big curly hair like this. So I'm not surprised, but it is there. I don't feel like I was getting too much shedding before I started adding layers in the unit. Once I started adding layers, of course, you know, I had a little bit of shedding because, you know, I'm cutting at it. But before that, I feel like it was pretty good. The parting space is a bit narrow. It wouldn't hurt you to pluck it, but you know, it's not the end of the world if you don't either. It's not the worst kind of parting space, but it could be a little wider. I also felt like the lace took to tinting really easy. When I first put this on, like the little bit of lace that I had here was too light for my skin tone, and once I put the foundation on it to match me, it was totally fine. So it's big head friendly as far as how comfortable it is. Like, it's got some stretch, it's got some room, all of that. but like it's not ear to ear coverage, so in that arena it's not big head friendly. I don't necessarily think you need holding spray to hold this unit down, but I used just a little bit right in this area because I felt like it kept sliding out of place just a little bit from right where I want it. So, you know, I am shook because I just really thought this wasn't gonna be it, and she's worked with the bow. Like, this is a whole new wig. This don't look nothing like the stock card. And I really like it in this 1B color. I don't know if it's just the outfit, it goes well, but I don't know. The texture actually feels really good because, you know, sometimes natural hair synthetic units can be real dry and rough, and this one feels very soft but still maintains having texture to it, so it looks more natural. They did a really good job on the balance of this texture, especially for this being a $28 wig. So I'm gonna try on this wig in the T227 and see if we feel the same way and see if it customizes the same way. It might be a whole nother wig.
And I know I just turned 18 and I get a little managed. And you see this bandana hanging at me like a bandage, like a bandage. I got paper girl, the Lamborghini with the spider seats. You never seen it, so get it shouty. We parking like pimping in my dome, and I know what you want. Brand new Chris Brown, T-Pain. You heard it here first. Nappy Boy Radio. We love you.
I see. Once you put the work in with Wild One, she looks good. This is wild hair. It doesn't look good straight out the package. It is not a pop it on and go. I done had to do wig transformations to get these wigs to look good. In my opinion, that is. You know, wear how you want to wear. I love how this looks on me in this color. If y'all noticed, I branched out. This is not just your regular honey blonde. I went a little bit lighter than I usually go. Usually I do like a T230 or something with a dark root and a 30, but this one is a 27 and it's really cute. I like the layering job. I did better on this one, but you know, second time's the charm. The head size fits about the same. I did still, you know, spray just a little bit of holding spray right on my part to keep it in place, but it's not something that you have to do. It's just something I wanted to do. The lace was the same. It's still tinted down, very easy. This kind of looks like Tori Kelly's hair. Did I miss some spots? You could thin it down if it's too thick for you, but I just feel like it's the kind of hair that needs like all this volume. It's still a tangler, not really much on the shedding, but it's still a tangler for sure. Wild One as is a total thumbs down for me. You know I never totally give a wig a thumbs down, but that one just wasn't it. But the remix, she's popping. Like it's a lot, but it's cute. Even though this one is like dyed blonde, the texture still feels the same. It's like soft, but still textured. If you're interested in this unit, I'll have the T down below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.